Samantala, inaasahan po ang matinding ulan sa Eastern Ontario at Southern Quebec na posibleng magdala ng pagbaha sa rehiyon. Nag-aalala naman ang isang kababayan na kamakailan lang ay binaha sa sariling tahanan. May report si Teresa Redula.
Napapahingang malalim na naman ang isang kababayan sa inaasahang lagay ng panahon sa mga darating na araw. Binaha ang basement ni Eva Bautista nitong nakaraang buwan at sa muling pagdating ng matinding ulan.
If it's gonna be more than what we need, mahihirapan na naman ako. It will be another episode with the insurance.
Matinding buhos ng ulan at posibleng pagbaha at thunderstorms ang inaasahan sa Eastern Ontario at Southern Quebec. Dala ng Tropical Storm Debbie sa Toronto. Isang special weather statement naman ang inilabas ng Environment Canada. Anila magsisimula ang pag-ulan Huwebes ng gabi hanggang Biyernes. Naaabot ng 50 millimeters sa ilang rehiyon.
There could be localized flooding just due to urban environments not having efficient drainage for rainfall. We've already seen a lot of precipitation in Eastern Canada this past summer, so everything that could absorb more water is already saturated.
Ayon sa mga eksperto, sa pagsabay ng bagyong Debbie sa low-pressure system sa Great Lakes, posibleng umabot ng hanggang 100 millimeters ang buhos ng ulan, na magiging matindi rin ang epekto sa malalaking syudad tulad ng Montreal at Ottawa.
It's pretty common for a tropical system to be swept up into an existing mid-latitudes system and swept out to the east, out to the ocean. But in this particular case, there's just a lot of moisture, and it's just the perfect timing for it to develop right over a very populated corridor. So we'll see some significant impacts from that.
Nitong Hulyo lamang nakaranas ng matinding pagbaha ang Montreal at Toronto dulot ng record rainfall. Kaya si Bautista, pinaghahandaan na ang pagbabago sa panahon.
There's really not much to destroy the stairs anymore. It's already destroyed. Yung mga bagay na naiwan sa basement, I'm trying to make sure that they're up again on, on tables and anything that will get damaged.
Umaasa naman siyang hindi ito magiging kasing lala sa kanyang naranasan kamakailan.
I have my first claim right from this last flood. If we have another flood and it goes up again, does that mean I have to have another claim? I just hope the rain tonight and tomorrow won't, that bad either.
Huwebes nang maglandfall ang Tropical Storm Debbie sa North at South Carolina. Ilang araw lamang matapos bahain ang Florida. Inaasahang dadaan ito patungong Quebec at New Brunswick bago pumuntang Newfoundland and Labrador sa araw ng Linggo. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.